YouTube fam. What's up? It's another video of Living as James. Today we're gonna make mozzarella sticks. This is the front of the cover, and this is the back. And this is what the mozzarella sticks look like right here. And we are gonna make that today.
Go.
I have all my ingredients.
Okay, alright. Add it up. Okay, alright.
You put to wait for this to heat up, and then you put them in here.
Add it up.
Now when the minute is over for the second time, you're supposed to flip it over and then do the then you do 1 minute 2 times. Thank you for watching. I'm about to eat my mozzarella sticks with my mom, and we're about to watch Netflix. Bye bye.